through the whole front page. Oh, you're good?
Yep.
Okay. There you go. Okay, so I want you guys to look at actually at the second definition. Kenny, that was what you explained. Who wants to read the second one? Okay, Brayden.
Unknown. A number that we don't know, often represented by X or Y. But any letter will do. Sometimes this can be called a variable.
Perfect. Okay, so an unknown is a letter in an equation that we don't know what it is. But that letter represents only one number. Now, the second part is this can be called a variable. And the only difference between that is say we have a letter, and that can represent different numbers. Okay? But right now, I just want you guys to know what an unknown is to be working with. And you remember in our pretest when we use sometimes symbols and stuff like that, shapes and stuff, that's the same thing. It's just plugging in something that we can identify as a number that we're not too sure of. Okay, this can be applied to any life situation. You guys have the balloon example with you guys? Yeah, you remember it? Right. Okay, he had a bunch of balloons in his hand. You know how clowns, they have those helium balloons? And the gust of wind came along and blew 8 of them away. And he was left with 6. How many balloons did he start with? Equate this. Oh, I want you guys to all write down how you think you could write that out in algebra. Try your very best. So remember, the unknown, something that we don't know, you can use any letter to represent that. Or you can even use a word if you want. So I know often we use X, but if you want to write that way, what do you mean? So if a clown has a bunch of balloons, that you wrote down your equation a little bit differently. How did you write that down before you erased it? Okay, X minus 8. And then did you have anything else added to that? No. I want you to keep that down. Take a look at yours for a second.
The first meeting body paragraph should have the summary in both.
Why do you think that is?
Because it's the first thing that we read, and it's...
No, the second thing that they read.
Well, it's the second thing we read, but why is it important to have a summary? Jeremy mentioned this at the beginning. What did you say about telling about the movie?
Yeah.
Why is that important?
So then they can get a bit better understanding of it.
Before they see it, right?
Yeah.
Because if you don't like movies about ghosts, and then you read the review and it tells a summary and the movie's all about ghosts, are you going to go see it?
No.
No.
From the engaging to the privacy.
Riveting? Riveting? What is riveting? Exciting. It's riveting. Okay.
Special effects. This movie is
It's okay. Definitely.
definitely not too advanced for young children, but will also entertain adults for any age student, in part to the excellence
Good. Thanks, Brayden, for reading that to us. What interesting things do you see in that paragraph that we need to have in every review that we write? What is... Other than hard words that Brayden has difficulty pronouncing.
Words that you...
Okay, describing words. Let's underline some describing words in that paragraph. See how many... Yeah, and you choose your friends based on different things, right?
If I have to flip a coin 10 times now, what's the theoretical probability?
It is land on head 5 times in total.
So it should be tails, yes, I will. Tails and heads 5 times each. Alright, now what is the probability that it will land on heads?
50%.
No, okay, in a ratio. I want you to tell me in a ratio. What is the probability?
5.2.
So it would be 5 dot dot out of a total of 10. Now how can that be reduced? 1 dot dot 2. What's the fraction? 1/2. 5 over 10. And what's the percent?
50%.
So 50% of the time we're saying it should land on,
Hey,
50% of the time it should land on heads, right? Alright, so I want you to tally it and see what actually happens.
Wait.
First one, tails.